Hello, Miss Ariana Grande. You're so tall. How tall are you?
I'm 11-footer. 11-footer!
Wow,
Actually, I'm 5'7" because I'm petite.
Again?
I'm petite.
Okay. Interpreter! Ay, sorry. Nasoko. Interpreter daw ko. Di ba? Na-preview ang interpreter. Dali. Yan na daw siya. Okay, are you ready for your preliminary interview?
I'm always ready, Scar.
Go. Pick your hashtag. You pick hashtag rainbow.
Everyone listen. As the inception of my journey throughout this journey, I raised my family with strict parents. I am a student with consistent high honors, and I believe that the hashtag that's given to me is related to what I am right now, is related of who I am right now. Hashtag rainbow, from the word rainbow, it has a lot of color that explains a lot of genders. Transgender, bigender, agender, transgender, or anything gender. Rainbow is specifically defined as the part of LGBTQIA+ community. That is our flag because rainbow explains everything that could explain us as a part of LGBTQIA+ community. As a part of LGBTQIA+ community, we experience a lot of discrimination throughout our process of becoming who I am. I believe we do not deserve a lot of discrimination because we are just a human too, a human that can live in this world, and we should be more impactful, clear, concise in our world because as a part of LGBTQIA+ community, we do not deserve discrimination, and I thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 3. That was candidate number 3, and now let's move forward to our next candidate, candidate number 4. Sa likod. May namumong bagyo dito sa bandang charot lang. So, candidate number 4, hello. Nana? Amang daw siya, amang ha? Interpreter? So, you're a member of the PWD? Okay. So, kumusta ka? Okay na daw siya. So, okay daw. Makabuang na budget, no? Charot lang, go. So, wait na, wala pa. Kinagilis pang tulog ka. May pag-apil na lang di ko, oy. Heart attack. Ay, anak di ay. So, taga-asa si candidate number 4. Barangay Santiago daw, Purok 2. Okay. So, kinsay nag-invite ni mo nga ma-appeal diri sa Purok 2 as one of the candidate of Miss Gay 2024?
Buhan, iteksan ako siya. Dala ko na. Bright ba yung mga amang English siya? Kasabot siya.
Kabalo na kaka, kung sa ito'y pakalingawan karong fiesta. Mga amang, kanina sa duwa ha? Char lang. Okay, thank you so much. Nibahin pa biyang kaglaing aso. And now, mag-interpreter pag ini siya niya. Karon, nakadali na. Nasuko siya, why? So, before ako basahon ng imong hashtag, kanang kinsay naghimo sa imong swimsuit?
Sakura.
Pila po kalubi mong nakagot.
Tulog.
Ang beef, atong ikapon. Oh my God, made with authentic. Oh my God! Ayan, ni Pam. Ali ka. Ay, daw na kayo si Kap. Si Chairman. Ali, Chairman. Ali, dahil Chairman. Ali sa Chairman. Ali. Dili ta mo continue. Muna mo SP Chairman. Newly elected. Ikaw pa ka ni Chairman. Pampaswerte. Bongga. Kanusa po yung last buhos? Try lang. Joke na to siya ha. Papakatawa na. Malay mo, may magbibigay ng tip sa'yo mamaya. Ala, itando sa Timayang. Di ba Timayang? Tanawa sa... Marawa ba? Your hashtag is... Pageant.
Forward! Let's see!
Miss Gay Kamagi 2024 is a celebration of LGBTQ community pride, a celebration of youth and empowerment. Tonight, as a youth leader in our barangay, I've always educated myself to be a good leader, not just an echo, but a voice. I have joining pageants and I have received a lot of negative impact behind my back. Iyon sila ayaw appeal kay pangit ka. No, the beauty is not all about exceptional beauty. I am here because it is about your purpose, not your beauty. Thank you so much and good evening.
Thank you so much, candidate number 4. Wait sa talikod. Go!